was in 2005 summer. I was on the student project team, and we were in Lincoln, Nebraska, which actually worked out well because that's where I was going to school at the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. But I remember pretty vividly my experience. I worked with some good people. I had some good mentors, some good line editors, and I learned a lot, just kind of behind the scene type stuff. One interview I remember in particular, I got to do a story on college baseball, a Native American college baseball player at Nebraska who actually is now a professional baseball player. So that's one clip I still have.
I've been a member of NAJA since about 1986. Back then I was a student at ASU, and NAJA has changed a lot in the time that I've been a member. There's been a lot more emphasis on students and educating the next generation of Native journalists. I remember that the first student projects was held in 1994 at Atlanta with the first Unity Convention, and then since that time, every year, NAJA has had a student project.
It definitely has a lot more attendees than in the past. I think it's because they have, from what I've seen, they've joined with the other organizations with the Native media, and I believe back then they were just going alone. The workshops are getting a lot better, a lot more attendance, which is great. Great workshops, really relevant workshops to what's going on in the industry. So yeah, I love going.
And we're trying to do what we can to help the students. We want to help our members get connected, whether that's through a story, maybe job opportunity, or training. So we're trying to do all that beyond the conference too.